morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your workbook. Open your workbook. Page number. Open your EVS workbook. Open your EVS workbook. Page number 36. Our close. Open your EVS workbook, page number 34. Sorry, 36. Okay. What are our three basic needs? What are our basic needs? Food, clothes, shelter. These are our basic needs, along with water also. Okay. But water is a natural, non-living thing. First one I know. Food, clothes, and shelter. Food, clothes, and shelter. These three are our basic needs. Why do we wear clothes? Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes. Zena? Amma, this don't write. Akadundu మీకు already. We wear clothes for for modesty, look model, modesty, M-O-D-E-S-T-Y, modesty, and appearance, status, to show our status, identification, uniforms. Why do we have uniforms? For the identification and protection. They give protection to our body also. Protection. Okay? We wear clothes for modesty, appearance, status, identification, and protection. Okay? Completed now? I'm rubbing Amma. Next. What is a fiber textile? How many types of fibers are there? Complete the following flowchart. Here one of the fiber is given here. Fiber. We have two types of fibers. Natural fibers and synthetic fibers. We have two types of fibers. Natural fibers and synthetic fibers. We get the natural fibers from plants and also animals. Fibers are two types. Natural fibers. Natural fibers. Natural fibers. Write down. Fibers are two types. Natural fibers and synthetic. Synthetic fibers are made up of chemicals. అమ్మ natural fibers ఏమో మనకు plants animals నుండి వస్తాయి. Synthetic fibers ఏమో chemicals. by adding chemicals we may get the synthetic fibers. Example, resin, polyester, nylon, these are the examples. Synthetic fiber, synthetic fibers and natural fibers. Synthetic fibers come from plants fibers and animal fibers. Plant fibers and animal fibers. Okay? Next, Indian cricket, fill in the blanks, Nana. Take next page, fill in the blanks. Indian cricket team wears dash colored uniform. Indian cricket team ఏ కలర్ యూనిఫామ్ వేసుకుంటారు? చూసారు ఇప్పుడు మీ క్రికెట్ మ్యాచెస్? ఏ కలర్? బ్లూ కలర్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ బ్లూ. They wear blue color uniform. All are they wear blue color uniform. ఎప్పుడైనా అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారా మీరు? ఓకే, ఇండియన్ క్రికెట్ టీమ్ వేరే కంట్రీ వాళ్ళతో ఆడేప్పుడు బ్లూ కలర్ టీషర్ట్ వేసుకుంటారు. ఓకే, a dash is a hair like strand from which the fabrics are made of. Is a fiber, the thread. The hair like thread is called a fiber. A hair like thread is called a fiber. F-I-B-R-E, fiber. Nylon is made up of? Nylon is a synthetic fabric, no? Nylon adi natural fabric kaadu. Nylon is a synthetic fabric. It is made up of chemicals. Write down. Chemicals. Nylon is made up of chemical. Next, the clothes we wear daily at home are dash wear. Amma, what are the clothes we wear at home? They are the party wear dress. మనం ఇంట్లో కూర్చొని party wear dress వేసుకుంటామా? What dress we will wear at home? We wear casual dresses, no? Yes, either casual. We wear casual dresses at home. Next, we get dash fibers from living things. Amma, we get dash from the living things. What are the living things? Plants and animals are the living things, no? The fabric which we get from the living thing is a natural fiber. Antena? Plants and animals are the living things. We get the fiber from them. So that is the natural fiber. Write down natural fiber. Natural. People wear dash clothes while going out in rain. If we want to go in the rain, what type of clothes we will wear? Waterproof. అంతేనా? అంటే వాటర్లో తడవకుండా ఉండే క్లోత్స్ వేసుకుంటాము. ఓకే, వాటర్ ప్రూఫ్. రైట్ డౌన్. వాటర్ ప్రూఫ్. Completed? I'm rubbing, Nana. Next, state whether the given statements are true or false. All type of clothes are suitable for all people. All type of clothes are suitable to all people. Jeans t-shirt ముసలి వాళ్ళు వేసుకుంటే బాగుంటుందా? ఓల్డ్ ఏజ్ వాళ్ళ బాగుంటుందా? నాట్ సూటబుల్. సో ఆల్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్లోత్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ సూటబుల్ టు ఎవ్రీవన్. అందరికీ అన్ని క్లోత్స్ బాగోవు. So first one is false. First one is false. Some people wear clothes according to their culture. Yes. According to their culture, they wear different type of clothes. True. Clothes protect our body from the climate. Clothes protect our body from the climate. How many climates we have? 3 seasons we have. Summer, rainy and winter. How we are securing from those seasons? By wearing the clothes. Means the clothes protect us from different climates. So true. Synthetic clothes should not be washed. Synthetic clothes asalu wash cheyadda. They are easy to wash. Synthetic clothes are easy to wash, but we have to wash them. అవి ఈజీగా వాష్ చేయొచ్చు, కానీ ఖచ్చితంగా వాష్ చేయాలి. మన ప్రతి క్లోత్స్ని ఖచ్చితంగా వాష్ చేయాల్సిందే. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఫాల్స్. Farmers wear uniform. Farmers also wear the uniform. No, they don't have the uniform. So, false. We should always wear clean clothes. Which type of clothes we have to wear? We have to wear the clean clothes. Yes, true. Dress code is a must in all profession. Amma అందరి professions లో dress code ఖచ్చితంగా ఉంటుందా? No. Somebody keep the dress code and some not. That is depend on their wish. That is depend on their company management. అందరూ యూనిఫామ్, అందరూ వర్క్ చేసే వాళ్ళందరూ యూనిఫామ్ వేసుకోరు, అది వాళ్ళ విష్, అది the company wish. Okay, that is false. We get silk from plants. Where do we get from silk? We get silk from the silkworms. Sorry Nana, we get silk from plants annadu. Silk mana plants nunchi vastunda? No, we get silk from the silkworms. Animals. It is an animal product. Silk is a animal product, not the plant product. So that is false. Completed. First one false, second one true, third one true, fourth one false, fifth one false, sixth one true, seventh one false, eighth one false. Next, match the following. Celebrities. Celebrate wear cotton clothes. మా celebrities ఏ క్లోత్స్ వేసుకుంటారా? Celebrate wear cotton clothes, skin of animals, uniform, designer clothes, special wear. Which type of clothes the celebrities wear? They wear the desired clothes. Means D. Next, police. What do police wear? Police wear cotton clothes, skin of animals, uniform, design clothes, special wear. Police wear uniform, means C. Festivals. On the festival days, we wear special clothes. Isn't it? On festivals, we wear special clothes, means E. Early humans. Amma, early man wear Which type of clothes the early man wear? Early man wears skin of animals. I said no. So B. Summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Completed now? Celebrities wear design clothes. Police wear uniform. Festivals, special wear. Early humans wear skin of animals. Summer, cotton clothes. Okay, take next page. Mention the reasons for the variety in clothes. Why we have the variety of clothes? Amma, the variety of clothes are depend on the age, size, rate. It's depend on everything now. Gender also one reason. అంటే ఫీమేల్స్ వేసుకునే క్లోత్స్ కొన్ని ఉంటాయి, మేల్స్ వేసుకునే కొన్ని స్పెషల్ క్లోత్స్ ఉంటాయి. నెక్స్ట్ ఏజ్, చిన్న పిల్లలకు వేరే డ్రెస్సులు ఉంటాయి, పెద్ద వాళ్ళకి వేరే డ్రెస్సు, ముసలి వాళ్ళకి వేరే డ్రెస్, అట్లా డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ క్లోత్స్ అకార్డింగ్ టు దేర్ ఏజ్. అండ్ కల్చర్, మా కల్చర్ని బట్టి కూడా క్లోత్స్ ఉంటాయి. సమ్ వియర్ శారీస్, సమ్ వియర్ పంజాబీ డ్రెస్సెస్ ఓన్లీ, సమ్ వియర్ క్రాబ్రాస్. Like special clothes are there according to their culture. Next, profession. According to their profession, they may wear the clothes. Profession. Next, occasions. మనం different occasions లో different clothes వేసుకుంటాం. Okay? Occasion. Next, climate. We wear different clothes according to the climate. Okay, summer season lo type of clothes vestam, rainy lo type, and winter different type according to their climate. And cost also, it is depend on the cost. Next, last one is raw material. మనకు నచ్చిన మెటీరియల్ తీసుకుంటాం మనం. Some wants to wear cotton clothes only, some wants to wear silk clothes, some wants to wear synthetic clothes. It is depend on the material. Okay, next synthetic clothes are why the people preferring synthetic clothes? Why the people wearing synthetic clothes? వాళ్ళకి synthetic clothes ఎందుకు వేసుకుందాం అనుకుంటున్నారు? Some reasons are there. They are easy to wash, they are cheap, they are comfortable, they can get in different colors. These are the reasons. అట్రాక్టివ్ ప్యాటర్న్లో దొరుకుతాయి మనకి ఇవి. మెనీ కలర్స్ అండ్ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ మెనీ కలర్స్. సింథటిక్ క్లోత్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ మెనీ కలర్స్. Soft and smooth, easy to wash, that means easy to wash. Next, durable, ఎక్కువ రోజులు వస్తాయి. మన కాటన్ క్లోత్స్ తొందరగా పాడైతాయి, తొందరగా చిరిగిపోతాయి. కానీ సింథటిక్ క్లోత్స్ మనకి ఎక్కువ రోజులు వస్తాయి. డ్యూరబుల్ అంటే ఎక్కువ రోజులు యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు వాటిని. They are cheap and durable. We can use them for some more days than the cotton clothes. Cotton clothes మనం ఎక్కువ వాష్ చేస్తామనుకో తొందరగా చిరిగిపోతాయి, కానీ సింథటిక్ క్లోత్స్ ఎక్కువ రోజులు మన్నుతాయి. చీప్, డ్యూరబుల్, ఈజీ టు వాష్. వీటిని వాష్ చేయడం కూడా చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. అండ్ సాఫ్ట్ అండ్ స్మూత్, దే ఆర్ సాఫ్ట్ అండ్ స్మూత్. నెక్స్ట్ we can get them in many colors, of many colors. మనకి చాలా కలర్స్, ఎన్ని కలర్స్ అంటే అన్ని కలర్స్ ఇందులో దొరుకుతాయి. many colors. నెక్స్ట్ అట్రాక్టివ్, చాలా అట్రాక్టివ్గా కూడా ఉంటాయి. దే ఆర్ అట్రాక్టివ్. ఓకే. సింథటిక్ క్లోత్స్ ఆర్ చీప్, డ్యూరబుల్, ఈజీ టు వాష్, soft and smooth, of many colors and attractive. Okay, ma complicated. Next, last. Unscrambled the following words. What is this? CTLOH. This is cloth. CLOTH. Next, SZIZ. This is size. SIZE. Next, DIGESN. Design. 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 Next, QAUTILY. This is quality. 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 PCIRE. This is price. 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 Next, MERATAIL. This is material. 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 DESRS. This is dress. 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 Next, URIFNM. This is uniform. 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 Next, FARMOL. This is formal. 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 Formal clothes. Next, FIRBAC. Fabric. 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 Okay? Complete your answers. Today's class is completed. Bye, Nana.